Booz Allen Hamilton Incorporated. Publicly released, June 13, 2022. May 24, 2022. Booz Allen Hamilton protests the decision by the Department of Defense, Defense Health Agency, to award indefinite delivery indefinite quantity contracts and associated task orders to BCG Federal Corporation, Capgemini Government Solutions, and Deloitte Consulting, pursuant to request for proposals to support the agency's efforts to become a world-class technology organization. BAH challenges various aspects of the agency's source selection process, including the agency's determination that BAH's proposal was unacceptable. We deny the protest in part and dismiss it in part. BAH protests various aspects of the agency's source selection process, including assertions that BAH's response to the challenge scenario should have been evaluated as acceptable. The agency's evaluation of BAH's proposal under Factor 3, behavior model, was flawed, the agency's price evaluation was flawed, and the agency's best value determinations were unreasonable. We find no basis to sustain BAH's protest. In summary, we have considered all of BAH's allegations regarding the agency's assessment of a weakness and 4 significant weaknesses in BAH's proposal under the Factor 5 challenge scenario, and find no basis to question the basis for any of the agency's judgments. Accordingly, consistent with the terms of the solicitation, we find no basis to question the agency's determination that the significant weaknesses created an unacceptable level of risk for successful contract performance and, consistent with the terms of the solicitation, rendered the proposal ineligible for award. BAH's protest challenging the agency's evaluation under Factor 5 is denied. Finally, as noted above, BAH's protest challenges other aspects of the agency's source selection process, including assertions that the agency failed to recognize strengths in BAH's proposal under Factor 3, behavior model, the agency's price evaluation was flawed, and the agency's best value determinations were unreasonable. The agency maintains that, in light of its reasonable determination that BAH's proposal was unacceptable under Factor 5, BAH does not qualify as an interested party to challenge other aspects of the agency's source selection process. We agree. Our bid protest regulations define an interested party as an actual or prospective bidder or offeror whose direct economic interest would be affected by the award of a contract or the failure to award a contract. The solicitation here provided that if a proposal received an unacceptable rating under Evaluation Factor 5, the proposal would be ineligible for award. Since we have found no basis to question the agency's evaluation of BAH's proposal as unacceptable under Evaluation Factor 5, BAH does not qualify as an interested party to further challenge the procurement. Accordingly, BAH's additional allegations are dismissed. The protest is denied in part and dismissed in part.